So dear student, today we will discuss brain teasers of page number 72. So in this brain teaser, we are going to solve the sum of integers. The first, that is tick the correct answer, and there is in A part the number of integer between -10 and 3. Integers between -10 and 3. So we will write the integer between -10 and 3. Between, the word is between, so we are not counting -10 and 3. So what are the integers between these? So that is -9, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. So these are the integers which lies between -10 and 3. And next, in the B part, if we subtract -10 from -11, -10 from -11, so in this question subtract -10 from -11. So first of all we will write -11, then minus, and then it is -10. So it is -11 minus into minus plus, so it is 10. Now what is the answer? So that is -1, because the integers have opposite sign. So when both the integers have opposite sign, we always subtract them, and the answer belongs to the symbol of greater number. So it is -1. And next, there is in C part, we have square of 2 subtracted from the cube of -1. Square of 2 subtracted from the cube of -1. Cube of -1. So first of all we will write -1 cube minus, that is 2 square. So minus cube means -1 multiply -1 multiply -1, and 2 square means 2 multiply 2. So when we multiply -1 3 times, we get answer -1, and it is -2 to the 4. So -1 -4, both the integers have negative sign, same sign. So we will add them, and what is the answer? That is -5. And next, here we have part number D. So in this part, find the value of absolute value of -7 plus -6 plus absolute value of 3. So how we will solve? The absolute value of -7, that is 7, plus into minus, it is -6. So here it is not the absolute value, it is only in the brackets. Then plus an absolute value of 3, that is 3. So we have two positive integers and one negative integer. So we will write 7 plus 3 and then -6. So 7 plus 3, it is 10 minus 6. So what is the answer? 10 minus 6, it is 4. So answer of this part is 4. And next, in the E part, which of the following does not lie on the right side of -61 on the number line? The given numbers are -10, 18 and -49. So these are all greater than -61. So they lie on the right side. But -73 is smaller than -61. so therefore it is written on the left side. So answer is minus 73. And in the B part, answer the following questions. The first question is, write any two integers less than minus 101. So two integers less than minus 101. So we can write any two integers that are less than minus 101. So it may be minus 102 or it may be minus 103. We can write any two integers which are less than minus 101. And next question number in part number B, find the value of absolute value. No, question is find the absolute value of minus 30 minus 7. So how we can solve this? So first of all we will remove bracket. So it is minus 30 minus into minus, it is plus 7. So now what happened? Minus 30 plus 7, both have opposite sign. So it is minus 23. So what is the absolute value of minus 23? It is 23. Because when we write the absolute value, we never take the sign. And in the next part number D, the question is simplify and write its opposite. Simplify and write its opposite. So the given numbers are minus 3 multiply 5 multiply minus 1. So first of all we will simplify it. So when we simplify it, so there are two negative symbols are there and there is the symbol of multiply between them. So we know that when we have two negatives in multiply, the answer is always positive. And 3 multiply 5, 15, 15 1 the 15. So what is our answer? That is 15. Now question is write its opposite. Now what is the opposite of 15? So opposite of 15 is, that is minus 15. Opposite, reverse of 15. And in part number E, find the sum of greatest negative integer and the smallest positive integer. So find the sum of greatest negative integer. So which is the greatest negative integer? That is minus 1. And which is the smallest positive integer? That is plus 1. Now what is the sum? If we find the sum of, so minus 1 plus 1, it is equal to 0. So what is the answer? The sum of greatest negative integer and smallest positive integer, that is equal to 0. So next we have question number 2. Indicate using integers. 200 BC. BC means before Christ. So it is written in the minus 200. Minus 200. And next 5 degrees Celsius below 0. 5 degrees Celsius below 0. So below means negative. So what is the answer? It is minus 5 degrees. Next, win by 3 goals. Win means positive. Lose means negative. Win means positive. So it is positive 3. Next, 40 kilometer above sea level. Sea level. Above means positive. So that is positive 40 kilometer. Is it clear? So below means negative, above means positive. Win means positive, loss means negative. So thank you students. In the next video we will discuss question number 3